man.
Welcome to the Casa Angola.
Naturally.
As I would say. Don't know when something come down. A countryside today. You know what I mean? Come all a cool vibration. When they have them feel like. We have a restaurant where they have them can go so boom and order. You know what I mean? All of seafood and sickness is massive. As I would say. And if you don't want to order at the restaurant, you have kitchen where you can cook your own food. Before I'll show you what I want. See? Burn it up.
Naturally.
God vibes.
In this video, I'll be eating Rasta Pasta and garlic lobster. Also, a chat with the Angola boss himself, JAH BOUKS. I'm in Old Pera, a thriving nature community in St. Thomas, Jamaica. Here, you will find Angola restaurant and Casa Angola Airbnbs. Yeah man, crazy vibes, natural vibes. As you walk in, you see that big Angola sign at the front right there, and the country breeze just hit you. The real sea breeze just hit you, and I tell you, crazy vibes. Many of you guys know the great JAH BOUKS, the great JAH BOUKS. His restaurant is here in St. Thomas, Angola restaurant. I tell you, crazy authentic vibes. So we are going to see what I want on the menu. Natural vibes. Yeah, man.
Come on in. Welcome to Angola. I'm Marine. I'm one of the waitresses here.
Nice. Oh, wow. Woo. Yo, this place is so beautiful. Oh my God. Crazy vibes. Just look at this.
This is the menu we have currently. It's online. You can go to angolarestaurant.com and you can see it for yourself. All the menus listed there.
Whoa.
Also for the cabins, you can go to Angola Cabins online and you can book it there.
Oh, for the Airbnbs.
Airbnb,
Whoa.
exactly. So this is the menu. We have fishes. The sizes vary. 1 pound, 1.5 pound, 2 pound. You get it steamed, escovitch or fried.
Nice.
Brown stew. The fishes, you pay for the fishes separately, and if you want a side order, that is a separate price. So
Nice.
what we have as side orders are bami.
Oh yeah.
Bami, you get the bami either fried or steamed.
Nice.
Festival, fried breadfruit, rice and peas, white rice, green or fried ripe plantain, crackers.
Crackers.
Yes. Fritters, saltfish.
Nice.
Potato salad. Actually, our potato salad here is served hot, not cold. And-
Off the heat.
Yes, and
Nice.
French fries. Then for vegetarians, you can get steamed vegetables or veggie chunks.
Nice.
We also have popcorn for the kids, ice cream, hot dogs, and cakes.
Nice. Oh yeah, I saw the machine right there.
Yes, exactly.
Oh yeah.
So we have 2 combos on the menu. They are chicken combo and nuggets, either with French fries, rice and peas, or whatever sides you want. And
Nice.
then on the menu also we have octopus, wilks. You know what wilks are, right? They're like
Oh yeah, like
shell.
yeah,
fish,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
And then we have a Rasta Pasta, also for the vegetarians. You can get it with either shrimps, lobster, or chicken, or without the meat. Veggie chunks, a saltfish curried, lobster. You can get the lobster curried or garlic or any style except grill.
Nice.
And then there's conch, shrimp cooked in coconut milk as well.
Nice.
And that's basically the
A
menu.
lot of stuff.
Yes, and
A
you
lot
can
of
call
stuff.
ahead of time to make reservations. And whenever you're coming, if you call ahead of time and book your meal, like tell us what you want, because the a la carte menu is cooked to order.
Nice.
So it gives us some time to pre-prep your meal until you get here. So when you come, it minimizes the waiting time.
Wow.
We also have vouchers, like you can buy these vouchers from $5,000 up if you want to make a gift to your family. and give them as a present.
Oh, and they use it here.
Yes, and they can
Nice.
cash it out here
Wow.
when they come. JAH BOUKS is the artist that does Oh Mama Angola. We sell his music here also. Or you can go
Nice.
online and look at his website at jahbooks.com. And we have the chalum, where you can rent the chalum for 1 hour.
Oh.
Smoking. But they're only flavors. They're not the. So we have them in different flavors. So these are the flavors that we carry in various types flavors, and so you get the flavors.
Whoa.
And you can smoke for 1 hour. You can get it also for half an hour.
Nice.
Bottles of wine, white or red, or you can get them by the glass. We have some hard liquor here. Currently we don't do any mixed drinks, but in the future they are planning on opening a bar here. So you're gonna get frappuccinos and your green juices and your cafes.
Whoa.
Yes.
That is so crazy. Crazy as you're walking the big Angola. That's the gate out there, right there. Crazy vibes. The sea out there as you're walking. The place just give you that vibe. Big spacious area, eating area, one big eating area over there, one big eating area over there. The place so spacious, and the smell of country. Oh my god, crazy vibes. So can't wait for the menu. As you know, just here the menu is crazy, and we can't wait for to see what the chef are dealing with today. So wanna know the vibes, yard life, Angola restaurant here. Yeah man, the chef are gonna prepare some garlic lobster and some Rasta Pasta. Crazy vibes, you can't miss out that cooking. But before we head inside the kitchen, yo, this place is so beautiful. The trees that are here, plum tree, literally a plum tree we're standing behind right here. Almond tree, a lot of greeneries. You can see some, I think those are some cassavas over there. One thing JAH BOUKS don't play when it comes to farming and planting. This man play a lot of greeneries. Matter about planting bananas, the land space, and also the Airbnbs up there. Place looking so beautiful. We're going inside the kitchen. Yeah man, the chef are gonna prepare some Rasta Pasta and some garlic lobster. We can't miss out that. So I know the vibes. We're going inside the kitchen and capture some of this, and can't wait to eat some of that. Yes man. Saute them chicken breast.
Yeah, fry them first.
Oh yeah, fry them up.
Yeah.
Oh,
You get a little brown color.
nice. Oh, you tell the picture right.
Yeah. Like when we eat.
got the right color.
Yeah. Right, so,
Oh. Ah, this is for the for the lobster.
yeah.
Oh. Oh, ah, that I put them in the coconut milk.
Yeah. Not really alright, but more side.
More side. Oh. Oh.
Cheese. Tonight, but if you want.
Oh. Oh, chicken I got add to this.
Yeah.
Oh. Man, pot colorful like a Rastafarian, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Ice, gold and green. Alright. Rasta Pasta this.
Yeah, man.
Oh. Crazy. Oh. You said we can get cheese for that? I love some cheese. Are the cheese would have to add already?
No, it can't do
You can add same way.
Yeah.
Cheesy and creamy.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Just keep a little water.
burn out the whole of the cocoa. All of that oil right there, that grease is just literally garlic flavor.
Yeah.
Oh. Making it go up. Alright. Swimming up pool of garlic.
So would you like to have one of the dishes first, or you want to eat the two of them one time?
Nice pumpkin. Oh yes. Oh. Yeah man. Oh, yeah, the ground fruitful, brother. Fruitful. A lot of planting.
More punks for next one.
Yeah man. Oh. So them look Sir, just on the edges that need a vibe, brother.
Yeah, man.
Oh, nice. This one, that one. Oh, yeah.
Cheddar cheese I need?
No, one slice.
Huh?
One slice.
Okay.
One slice.
Crazy. Oh yes man. And the pasta over there so and garlic cheese right there. I finish up right now. Oh man. Yo, this look good, brother. This is real good. I gotta eat some food right here on the beach side. Angola restaurant is that spot where as you forward you feel welcome. It's a yard vibe. It's literally a yard vibe. As you know, we're gonna take a look on the Airbnbs up there. But we're gonna eat some food first. But crazy vibes here at Angola. As you forward, you're gonna get that yard feeling, that real natural country feeling. So crazy vibes. We're gonna eat some food. Yeah man, yo, that lobster looks so good, and that pasta, we can't wait to dip in that. Yeah man.
Rasta Pasta with chicken breast only.
Oh yeah.
How do you like it?
Respect.
Right here?
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Yeah man, respect. Thank you so much. Crazy vibe. This is the pasta right here. Look at that. Oh my god, the pasta with chicken, and right on the beach side. Literally right on the beach side. Crazy eating area. The place is so big, the land space is big, and the eating area is huge. A lot of people can come here, come eat. And yo, right on the seaside, let's look on this. Oh, the pasta, crazy vibes. We are gonna dip into this, but the lobster is actually coming out right now.
We have the garlic lobster, Angola style.
Nice.
Woo! Smell the deliciousness.
Crazy, and some ripe plantain. Nice, respect.
Can I get you anything else?
Natural vibes. I'm good for now. Respect.
Can I get you anything else?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. Respect. Thank you so much. Oh, crazy. Woo. I gotta dive into this right now. Yeah, man. This looks so good. Yeah, man. Oh, pasta there. Oh, look how this big. Huge. Oh my god. And this lobster. Yo, this smells so good. Oh my god. Crazy vibes. This lobster smells so good, and also this ripe plantain. We are gonna dip into this right now. Oh my god. Hey, this place don't play when it come on to them food. Them serve in a style and them prepare in a style. Oh yes, we are going at this pasta. Oh. Yo, still hot and flaming. Yo, this literally scorching hot. Believe it. Yo, the flavor. Whoa. The flavor. Oh my god. All of these colors. Yo, this is literally colorful. You see all of that tomato, that everything you see in the pepper, the yellow pepper, it literally a Rasta color, the greenery. What? What? And the cheese will go on it in the last. When it finished, some cheese sprinkle upon that and melt in. Whoa! This is so nice. I'm not even exaggerate. Whoa! Just look at this. You seen the peppers. Just look on this. You see the pepper right there? Oh, them a drop. Oh. Mmm. Woo. This is the vibe here in the country area in St. Thomas. Whoa. I have to go dip into this right now. If I follow this, I just continue to eat this. This tastes so good. And this chicken. Whoa. Mm. Oh yeah. Piece of lettuce. You don't know the vibe. Jamaican vibe. Mm. Lettuce on the side. Mm. Mm. And also salad. Fresh salad. Mm. This smells so good. I'm gonna dip in it now. Mm. Huge piece of pepper we I get on it right here. Get a huge piece of pepper on it. Oh, whoa, whoa. Yo, this is so flavorful. This and I actually see this prepared from scratch. From scratch, from them actually breaking it out of the shell. Whoa. Woo. This is garlic lobster. Flavorful. Yo, the lobster just a sting. The garlic literally just stay in your mouth. Whoa. We see that garlic dropping at the oil and actually just burn right out and flavor that. Mm. And then this lobster actually fry up first, like fry up in the oil and get that little crispiness on the head. Oh yeah, pretty good vibe. You know, we can't live out the plantain. Natural Jamaican vibe, right plantain vibe. Mm. Mm. Oh yeah. This is the vibe here, right on the seaside. Right on the seaside. Oh my god. May I tell you, if you guys don't pull up at JAH BOUKS restaurant yet, Angola restaurant, if you don't pull up yourself, you need to find this spot. This spot is crazy, crazy. Huge land space we can even host events. Whoa. I go back now this pasta. This pasta is so good. Woo. Yo, this is so flavorful, believe me. Flavorful. And the thing with these meals, them done to order. So as you come, you order. If you want, you can call and make them know say oh, you're forward. So them can at least prep up your order. So when you come, you know have no long wait. Them hot, you're getting them hot. Them serve hot, literally hot. Hot. This pasta is literally scorching as my day here at all. Hot with pepper and also hot temperature. Whoa. Crazy food. I'm actually see this prepared from scratch. Whoa. The vibe here. Angola restaurant. Yeah, man. You actually get served water when you're forward. You get a glass of water when you're forward. Oh, yo, this place is just crazy. Go back into this lobster. This lobster is so good. Lobster is so good. Whew. I don't know the vibe. I gotta finish my strong this. I'm gonna link up Father JAH Books. Yeah, man. We can't come so far when we link up Father JAH Books, man. After all this good food, we have to go take a tour of the Airbnb. We have to see what's going up in the rooms. Cool Airbnbs in the countryside. Right here in St. Thomas. Crazy vibe. So, you know what, man? Yeah, man. Oh, also this cabbage. Oh, we can't forget the cabbage and the carrot with the chips of sugar. This is how we normally get it served. Normally, as a youth growing up, you couldn't get me eat them things here. So what my father usually do, just tip some sugar upon it, eat with the salad. Tip some sugar all over that. All of that just make the taste get so advanced and likable by someone who never usually eat these things. May I tell you? Sugar. Fresh. Crunchy. Oh yeah. Natural vibes after eating all of that food. Crazy vibes. Look on the beauty. JAH Books here. We're gonna get a look in one of the Airbnb them right now. But look on the view, like literal sea view up in the hills. So we're gonna see what's going on now. Crazy. Whoa! Father Books.
Yeah, man. Better way, man. You see it?
Aye, man.
Welcome to the Casa Angola. As I
Naturally.
would say. Don't know if something come now. A countryside with there. You know what I mean? Come all a cool vibration. When they have them feel like. We have a restaurant where they have them can go so boom and order. You know what I mean? All of seafood and sickness. Is my say? As I would say. And if you don't want to order at the restaurant, you have kitchen where you can cook your own food. Before I'll show you what I want. See? Bunny up.
Naturally.
God vibes.
Whoa. crazy vibes. Natural, authentic, scenic view right here. We're gonna take a look and see what I want. Yeah, man. Oh. Whoa. Place literally cool. This natural vibes you're getting when you have a mini fridge right there. Mini fridge, 2 beds right here. A lot of painting. You can see the great Bob right there. So we have a TV in the corner. Crazy, big, spacious room. This room is literally spacious. You have a mirror right here. Just look on this. Oh my god. Oh yes. Crazy vibes up in the hill. I'm gonna take a look out on the front.
So here now you don't worry about lost in your key.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Oh. So all you have to do, just worry about lost in your phone with the code in it. or if you can remember it, you don't have a problem. As I would say.
Natural.
So watch what I go on. Boom. See me I say? So
Whoa.
you know what I mean?
Easy
Quarter,
as
quarter.
that. Whoa. Oh yes. Crazy vibes. Look on this. Ooh. Oh my god. Yo. Oh my god. Crazy vibes here up in the hills. Look over there, literally. That's the island over there where you can actually walk to. Wow. Casa Angola. Oh. Woo. Wow, this vibe is just crazy. Literally, just look over there. That's the island. That's the island over there. You can actually walk, go cross over that island. Not take a boat, like, literally walk over there. Look on the view, man. Wow. Yo, this place is a vibe, Dada.
Yes, sir.
This place is a vibe. Real vibe. Looking over the wall. Woohoo! Man. Natural vibes. Yeah, man.
So right now we only have 2 for now.
Just
well,
2.
2 and building. You know what I mean? So
Nice.
at least we have to get that kitchen up and running before we start another one. You know what I mean? So it's ready now for use. So each person that book in the cabin, they have the pool as them access, and them can cook them own food if them wish.
Wow.
You know what I mean? Otherwise you can just go and order at the restaurant. And you can stay right here and call and order. We have some intercom in the rooms, so you can stay from in your room and call at the restaurant and order, and it will come right up to you.
Crazy
Yeah,
vibes. Yo, and that food from the actual restaurant.
Yes, sir.
Crazy.
Yeah, man.
Crazy. Yo, this idea. Where you come up with this idea?
All right, honestly, me and my wife came down here in search of wanting to go to a beach, yeah. But me come from over here, so I know about this spot long time. So I take her to the beach, you know what I mean. And being here just give us a warm welcome, you know what I mean. So we first buy a boat in search of place to keep the boat. So we have to make somewhere to keep the boat, right? So that's when we decide, so you know what, here would be a good place to take some people off the main, and you know what I mean, because I'm going to fishing and store the fish here, so it's best we make a seafood restaurant.
Straight.
So that's what we do. You know
Wow.
what I mean?
Natural
Yeah, man.
vibes. And how long this whole the whole restaurant, was it the restaurant first or
Yeah, it was a restaurant.
was the restaurant then the Airbnbs?
Then the Airbnb.
Wow, natural vibes, man.
It was from 2019.
Was from 2019.
Yeah, man.
Wow, crazy authentic vibes. Yo, this yo, this whole place just make you feel welcome. You're literally not hearing no bikes, no cars, no nothing at all. You literally just
the
tuck
sound
away in
of the sea,
the ocean.
like a therapy.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
crazy vibes, and the food was a vibe. Natural vibes here in St. Thomas. Oh, this place pronounced Old Pera?
Old Pera.
Old Pera.
Yeah.
Old Pera. Vibes here, man, in St. Thomas. The great Father Books.
Yeah, man. Better.
Natural vibes. Angola restaurant and Casa Angola, yeah?
Yeah, see, Casa Angola.
Wanna know the vibes. Yard life's good. Yeah, man. That's the vibe, man. Casa Angola. Crazy vibes here in St. Thomas. Old Pera, St. Thomas. The vibe here is just out of this world. The food is a vibe. The Airbnb is a vibe, and this whole place is just a vibe on its own. Far away from the bag of knives, the bag of cars, the bikes. All the most you're hearing is just the music playing, a radio playing right there, under one of the seating area, and the sea. That's the most nice here, and the breeze. Crazy vibes. And in the bar, it's just crazy. The kitchen crazy, the eating area crazy. And I can tell you, say, if you don't follow there, so you not gonna want to stay. I tell you, crazy vibes. Just the place. I go just welcome you off it own, and we just there. Crazy vibes, man. Natural vibes. Angola restaurant. Crazy vibes. Yes, man.